Hey everybody, it's Travis here at Palm Harbor Homes in Huntsville, Texas. And I'm excited to share with you guys that right now I am standing in a fantastic opportunity for a family out there in need of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's available for immediate delivery. This is a Palm Harbor Series Fleetwood, which means it has your superior construction, your energy efficient features, and most importantly, the peace of mind 12-year warranty. This home, as I'm standing in this big, beautiful kitchen, we know it as the Villager. It's got some fantastic features. It's around 1,500 square feet. Of course, all the appliances are included. It's got a mud room. It's got a walk-in pantry. And most importantly, it's available for immediate delivery, and we've discounted it $24,000 if you take the one that we have here. Now, of course, for those of you guys that know, if you order a home today, you're not going to see it for a while. This particular factory is backed up until February of next year. So this is an opportunity to get a popular home and get it fast and save money. Give us a call at 936-344-1685. You guys can call me directly with any questions at 936-714-3620. We're located right here in Huntsville, Texas, right off of 45. If you're headed north, we're exit 114. Come and see us. You can ask for myself. We got a great sales staff here, and we'll be able to help you with any of your home buying needs, from finding the perfect home, walking you through finance. If your property needs any construction, we'll be here to help you. We'll see you soon.